Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachel, and today we're going to be showing you how to make a Mother's Day balloon bouquet. Mother's Day is this Sunday, May 10th, so if you want to know how to make a nice, quick, and easy gift for your mom, stay tuned for this video. Okay, so I am going to keep my bouquet nice and simple, kind of like how you see here. I only used 13 balloons if you count this one here, but we're just going to use 12 balloons for this next one. So I have my electric balloon pump. I ordered this off of Amazon, and we have our 12 balloons here that we're going to blow up. I know that probably looks crazy, but that's just the way that I can get my balloons to stay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna blow up your balloons like we did just a second ago, and then you're tying them so that they're in a double. And then once this double is made with another double, we're gonna put it together to make a quadruple. And so I'll show you guys how to do that. Tying our second double together, and then we will add this double to the other double, and we'll make a quadruple. Okay, so now we're going to take one double and the other double here. And now we have a quad, and you want it to lay flat, so you'll just twist it to there. And we're going to repeat the same process until all 12 balloons are done. Okay, so now we have all 12 balloons blown up, and we are ready to insert our Mother's Day balloon. So I actually got this balloon from Dollar Tree, but I do have some other ones that I'll show in another video that are from Balloons Fast, or something like that, Balloons Fast, whatever. So this part was kind of hard for me, but I can show you guys the easy way to do it. So you want to kind of like take the balloon kind of here and start wrapping it through your balloons. Now when you use curly ribbon, that's the best ribbon to use when you're tying your balloon bouquets, because it's going to allow for better mobility and the string won't stand out as much as if you were using like that silky ribbon that they have. So we tie that in there tight. And then next we add our top layer. Slide that right through here. See how that's like a perfect fit? And you want to make sure that they overlay each other. So it's like one balloon this way, gap, balloon that way. Bring it back up and tie this here. Now, similar to this balloon, I went ahead and added some flowers because I didn't like how that piece was sticking up. So you can either have it float free. I'm probably gonna go through and add some ribbon to tie that down some. So I'll show you guys how that looks in a second. Okay, so we added some string to the bottom so that it's still floating up high, but it's kind of more secured so it's not so stringy. So this is the full final result of this balloon, and then as you can see, we have this balloon bouquet over here. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope it was easy for you to follow, and I can't wait to see some of your Mother's Day balloon bouquets. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!